Renovated in 2012, the new Horizonte Hotel offers 46 comfortable rooms, 2 meeting and event rooms, 24 hours reception, free Wi-Fi and private parking upon request in order to ensure that our guests have a pleasant stay. Special prices for groups and stays longer than 10 days. We are situated on a quiet street in the center of Santa Cruz de Tenerife, just 100 meters away from Plaza del Principe and a few minutes from Castillo Street, Plaza de la Candelaria and the Harbour of Santa Cruz. Las Teresitas Beach is 10 minutes away, Tenerife North Airport 15 minutes by car, and Tenerife South Airport is 40 minutes away. Great location for visiting all the natural charms of Tenerife and enjoying the climate in Canary Islands, considered one of the world's best.